what do you find? Do you have a good story for us about, not without sharing any PHI, of course, but, a good story, a good surgical coordination story?
Not a particular story about a particular patient. However, we were in a very difficult position as the surgery department a few years back. Nicole and I got the opportunity to kind of revamp the whole department, build a more solid foundation and leadership for that department. Our utilization was down to probably about 60% a few years ago consistently, with our facilities requiring about 70 to 75% utilization. And with the use of SurgiMate, we have been able to actually up our utilization to consistently 80+% on a monthly basis now.
Oh, wow. So when you talk about utilization, you're referring to block time.
Correct.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
That's
we were
good.
at a point where our facilities were actually getting ready to start taking block time away from us. And then when we started with SurgiMate and getting the department reorganized, it actually has helped us, keep those surgeries scheduled and continue to keep our block time. And actually our facilities have started reaching out to us to ask us to add more block time now.
Oh, nice. So they've developed more confidence in your business because you're able to schedule, more intentionally and, with higher success rates. That's amazing.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm glad to hear it.